Top 10 destinations in Paraguay. Set right in the heart of South America, Paraguay is a land formed from the interfaces of Europe and Guarani Indians, where traces of earthy indigenous life still lurk in the jungles. Colonial megacities rise on the winding rivers, and the Gran Chaco dominates the north. Let's explore the best places to visit in Paraguay. 1. Asunción. A curious metropolis of more than 2 million people, Asunción is the beating political, economic and cultural heart of modern Paraguay. The center clings to the eastern banks of the Paraguay River, which meanders around the downtown along the border with Argentina to the west. Here, visitors delve into what is, believe it or not, actually one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the Americas. 2. Encarnacion. The so-called Pearl of the South reclines carefree on the banks of the Parna River, drawing crowds of Asuncinos, people from the capital, during the summer with the promise of pristine riparian beaches and the country's most up-and-coming boardwalk boulevard. The best sands are found at the end of Surupaiti, groomed and managed and dotted with bikini-clad fashionistas and sunbathers alike. 3. Cerro Cora National Park. This pine-sized natural reserve is unquestionably one of the most dramatic and breathtaking sections of backcountry in all of Paraguay. Only recently established, it encompasses a great swathe of undulating savanna and highland terrain, where otherworldly hills peak above the swaying grasses and mosquitoes buzz around the shuffling carapaces of armadillos. Muralía Peak is a great place to start here, offering sweeping panoramas of the region's arid forestry and plains, while there are also curious cultural encounters to be had with the indigenous tribes people and a smattering of mysterious ancient petroglyphs to evoke the curiosity. 4. Ciudad del Este. Like a Moroccan bazaar, the markets of Ciudad del Este sprawl out along the courses of the Parna River, the sounds of Middle Eastern hagglers and Taiwanese electronics hawkers echoing between the rows and rows of blinking electronics and branded clothes. Thousands of Brazilians cross over to the town every day to catch bargains amidst the emporiums of Camilo Ricalta, while visitors typically make a beeline for the colossal engineering masterpiece that is the Itaipu Dam, another of Paraguay's major economic generators. 5. Baique National Park. Capuchin monkeys swing through the canopies while howlers scale the tree trunks at Baique National Park, a small and tight-knit protected section of what's remaining of the Upper Parna Atlantic forest. Most travelers make the relatively short 150-kilometer drive here straight from the capital, eager to see the gushing waterfalls that cascade down through the rocky undergrowth of the forests in steps and plunge pools. 6. Yaguaro. This small backwater town set in the shadow of the bulbous cliffs and rocky hills just south of the capital at Asunción began life as a Spanish mission intended as a settlement spot for the Guarani natives back in the early decades of the 1600s. Today, and the striking church that was raised by the Europeans here to make their mark still stands on the grassy fields where it did all those centuries ago. 7. Aregua. Just a short drive from the heart of the buzzing downtown streets of Asunción, and now almost contiguous with the capital thanks to the ceaseless expansion of its outer suburbs, Little Lakeside Aregua is a fine place to go to escape the heat and energy of Paraguay's only real metropolis. Travelers can expect a pretty maze of cobbled streets and alleyways where the lingering facades of colonial Spain still stand tall. This all abuts the waters of Ipacay Lake, sailboats and ferries heading to San Bernardino forever bobbing on its sky-blue waters. 8. Itagua. Famed for its distinctive tribal art and traditional Paraguayan folk music scene, the small city of Itagua is a great place to while away a few days as you make your way through the very heart of South America. Its inner streets come lined with swaying, shady eucalyptus trees, and there are countless workshops where it's possible to buy nanduti, a beautiful and intricate form of Paraguayan embroidery that originated in this region long ago. 9. Philadelphia. Philadelphia sits just on the edge of the Grand Chaco, where the forests and undulating hills of the region Oriental give way to the great boreal plains that form the very heartlands of the continent as a whole. That makes this far-flung town, the so-called capital of the Chaco, a very different place to the small southern cities of Aragua and Itagua. 10. San Estanislao. Named after a Polish saint, founded by Spanish Jesuits, intended to convert the native Guarani Indian peoples of San Pedro in central Paraguay, and infused with the cultures of immigrants from Italy, Germany and Eastern Europe throughout the last 2 centuries. The pine-sized yet interesting little stop-off of San Estanislao is like the history of the country writ small.